Today we are unboxing the Victorinox 242042. Victorinox is a Swiss brand known for its quality, durability, and practical designs, and this watch fits that style perfectly. It has a sporty but clean look, making it easy to wear both casually and on more formal occasions. The watch also comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you extra peace of mind. It is also water-resistant up to 100 meters or 10 ATM, making it suitable for everyday wear and swimming. Overall, the Victorinox 242042 is a solid Swiss-made watch with a versatile design, good specifications, and the quality you would expect from Victorinox. And if you are interested in this model, now is a great time to pick one up, because the Victorinox 242042 is currently available at a discounted price. Check it out while the offer is still available.